is the tow dolly from Quality Plant Trailers Road Rage Industries. We've been selling these since 2010, and today we're going to demonstrate how we load and strap down a vehicle. This vehicle we're using is for demonstration purposes only. First of all, we pull the pin, then we come round to the back and push down to tilt the trailer. Always best to have someone guiding you on. As you can see, the tray folds away itself. The main thing once you've loaded the car on the tow dolly is to make sure that you put the pin into the tilting location. Also, don't forget to put the Q-clip back in. So on the trailer you will see a second 7-pin female plug. What this is for is to either run a tailboard light to the back of the car, but also some people put a 7-pin plug on the front of their car if it's going to be a car that's always on the trailer, like if it's going behind a motorhome and it's a regular car behind there. Each trailer comes with a set of straps to tie the vehicle down. It comes with 3 parts for each side of the vehicle: A, B and C. So on A here you will see that we have 3 locations. Basically this is to keep, if you've got a small vehicle with small wheels, you'd be in here. Something a little bit bigger here and something with bigger tyres and wheels on would go up the top. So we would put this, for this Corvette, we would go for the middle of the range. And this would then come down here to the very end, because this is the part that's going to run up the trailer. The second part is exactly the same. It's got 3 pieces for you to have a small arc over the tyre, or for a bigger arc over a wider tyre. So what you do, you slide that into there, and then this one into here. That would obviously be for a bigger tyre. If we wanted to make it fit a smaller tyre, we would then run down to there, and obviously you can see that would be for a very thin tyre. So here we go, putting the straps on the vehicle. We would run it over, always making sure that we're not going to damage any brake pipes or anything like that. This would go around there. This would then get hooked onto here, depending on where we are. So that strap there wants to go in the middle of the tyre. Then we would pull the slack out of the strap, like so. We would then loop this around here, like so. Try and get all the kinks out, and then we would actually go through again. So you've basically made a cradle for the tyre. So then the ratchet is here. Undo the ratchet, put it so that you can get this in. I always, when I put this strap through, to make it easier, I always put the strap back through here and then pull any excess slack and then ratchet. And it's literally as simple as that. Again, this wants to be in the center. And then with the excess, we just usually make a loop like so, just so that this is not flapping around. And then to take it off, literally just reverse it, pull the ratchet up and release the strap. So there's actually 4 points that's very important. This strap, when the loop is in, it's in the middle of the tyre. The strap going around the top is at the top of the tyre, so the force is pulling down. The strap going over the tyre is in the middle of the wheel. And lastly, the strap behind the wheel, where it's hooked on goes in the centre of the tyre.